Today I'm showing you the latest tool from Microsoft called Microsoft Designer. So this is a graphic design app, very similar to Canva. Probably it will become one of its biggest competitors. And one of the greatest things about this new tool is that it integrates Dall-E 2. So you can add a prompt and it will create images for you that you can use in your designs. So to get started, you need to go to designer.microsoft.com and you will need to join a waitlist. So do it now. It's pretty quick. It took around 3 or 4 days. And today I got my access. You will need a Microsoft account to access this. And let me show you how it works. So once you have logged in, this is the first screen you get, and it starts asking you what are you trying to create. So you will be working with AI from the beginning. So here on the left we can add a prompt and ask it to give it an idea of what are we trying to create. And here on the right side you get these design ideas, and what's interesting about this is that you can see what's the prompt used to create this image. So you will get an idea on how to write your prompts and get closer to what you're trying to create. So in this case, I'm going to ask it to create an Instagram post for us, an Instagram story for a yoga brand called Yoga House to promote a new yoga mat. So let's see what it creates for us. So this will take a minute. As you can see, it created, first is giving us an idea in the right size, because I asked for an Instagram story, so that's good. And as you can see, there are some ideas that are just images, and there are some that have motion because there's video and there's some animation. So let me see. Of course, these are very basic designs, but I think it made great results. So I'm just going to pick this one, and now we can customize it. So this is like the editor that you get. And on the left you have these tools. You can choose between different templates. These are pre-designed templates. Then you get your media, my media, where you will see all your assets that you have uploaded. Then you get access to this visuals tool, which are images created by AI with the help of Dall-E 2. And from here we can create our own images. As you can see here, it uses Dall-E 2 to create these realistic images. And we can ask access to different photos, graphic assets, and videos. So again, it's incredibly similar to what you can do with Canva. Probably it's not that good yet. I use Canva a lot, and I think it's one of the greatest tools for people that is not designers. So, well, next you get this text menu. Again, you can use different types of text, different sizes. And from here you can create your brand kit, which probably will let you upload like your logo, the colors of your brand. So, and you have different ideas. And on the right side, we have this ideas menu that is showing us different kind of templates created by AI. And this will open up, if I click on new ideas, will open up the same screen that we got when we just log in. So we can create a new template to work on. So, and then we have the template we selected. So of course we can make changes to this image, we can replace it, we We can crop it, apply some effects, like some filters, or adjust the brightness, contrast. Here we have, let me show you again. If you click on effect, you can ask AI to, I guess, enhance and make changes to this image. So let's see what this does. And this apply a different effect. I'm not sure if this is AI working or if it's randomly applying some of these pre-made filters. So anyways, I'm going to just leave it there. Then of course you can select the text and change the font. And again, there's this button called Inspire Me, which I am guessing we will be seeing a lot in this tool. And applies different styles, different colors, different font families. So for someone that is not used to work with these tools or doesn't have any experience designing, probably this will be very helpful. And well, that's how it works. It's pretty simple. Of course, you can download this in different formats. In this case, because we don't have video, we can download it as a PNG, JPEG, and PDF. Another interesting thing about Designer is that you can link it to one of your social media accounts. You will need to open up Facebook and link it with one of your pages. But this will allow you to let AI create captions and hashtags for you. Let me show you this. So once you're happy with your design, you can access this tool, and first we need to let it know what's the goal for our post. In this case, I'm going to choose increase sales, and let write this prompt. So let people know we have a new yoga mat and it's on sale for a few days. So now let's click on generate. It will take a moment, and it was very quick. It's giving us like a few ideas. We can generate more if we are not happy with the results. So I'm just going to pick this one, and then we can get these AI created hashtags. So I'm going to select a few of these, and as you can see, we get this preview, which it's not like the best preview. Probably they can improve this, because this is way too tight to see it well. And as you can see, the hashtags has been included. So there you go. This is how this works. Let me click on review, and this is the full text that we picked, and these are the hashtags. And then we can click here to publish it to Facebook. So I'm going to back to edit, and now let's click on visuals. And this is incredibly interesting, because from here we can generate images for our design. So let's say we want an image, a woman using a pink yoga mat in a beautiful beach. So let's see what creates for us. Of course, it will take a moment, and of course we won't get the perfect image. Probably you have already tried some of these AI image generation tools, and you know that they are not perfect at all, but they are getting better every day. So as you can see, it's something that usually happens when you create people, that they look so weird, they are malformed, they have like 7 fingers and 3 eyes. But anyways, let's try with something else. a yoga mat placed in the top of Mount Everest. Sometimes using this AI image generation tools, it's better to not work with people. I have used a lot Midjourney and Leonardo AI, and those tools create incredibly great images, so you can use them very safely to create images with people. Anyways, so I guess this is much better because we are not seeing something that is incredibly weird or wrong. Of course, you can tell it's an AI image, so this map doesn't look very good. Of course, I won't be using this for a social media post, but you get the idea of what you can do with this designer, Microsoft Designer. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this. Let me show you one last thing. So when we go to download, it's incredibly quick. Let me open up this, and there you go. That's your post. So that was pretty easy. Let me show you one last thing here. There's this icon, and from here we can see that they are letting us know that every day there are new features and improvements to this tool. This is a tool that is pretty much a work in progress, so probably we will be seeing great new features, and it will get better every day. So definitely go now to designer.microsoft.com and join the waitlist. You will get your access in a few days and try it out. I'll be testing this tool in the next few weeks, and of course, if I see something interesting, I'll be sharing it with you. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.